Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and set up two-way audio on your TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open our camera in the tab application, and here we can see this panel with some buttons. We are interested in this one which says talk. By clicking on it, we will enter a call mode, let's call it like this. So here you'll be able to hear every sound from the camera, and also if you would like to adjust it, you can click on this button at the right edge and here choose the camera speaker and the camera microphone. And now to talk through the camera, we would need to hold this microphone icon and say what we want. Let me show you how it looks. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The voice that you have just heard, it was coming from the speakers on your camera. So with the two-way audio, you can speak through your camera, and this is really cool feature. And I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.